So, extra credit, how do you get it? There's 30 points of extra credit available to you, which comes to about over half a letter grade. Meaning if you're getting a B- in the class, but you've done all the extra credit, you can get an A. So it's important that I show you how exactly to get extra credit. So let's take a look. I've already brought up our Blackboard website here. And if you look at lessons and click on the lessons tab, I've added in the extra credit at the very bottom here, and it has a link. Now, if your Blackboard's like mine, it's a little finicky with links. If I click on it, it asks me if I'm sure I want to go there. I click yes. For some reason, it doesn't take me there. If you have that same problem, don't worry. I recommend you just go back to the lessons tab. Oh, let me go back. Blackboard already having issues. So go to this class. Go to the lessons tab. Just go ahead and copy and paste that address into your browser, and it should take you right to it. Already having problems. There we go. There it is. Okay, so here is your textbook website. Very important to take a look at. So right away, you're going to see that there's going to be these different things you can click on. But the main thing is you have to register first. Very important. So you look in the margin and it says, I'm not registered. Sign me up as a student or instructor. You're not an instructor. I'm the instructor. You're the student. So go ahead and click on student. And here you're going to want to put in your email address. That is important, right? You want to put in your appropriate email address, whatever it may be, Gmail, your Try-C email address, whichever one, because they may be sending you feedback, whatever. Then your name. If you want to be clever and say, I'm going to put in a fake name and I'll never get my extra credit now, you won't get your extra credit. Put in your real name, please. Right? Your own password, whatever it is, Bosco for Seinfeld fans, whatever, password hint. But here's the very important part. You need to put in the instructor email. And if you look on the syllabus and on our Blackboard site, my primary email address is professorpsych@aol.com. Now, usually students who have problems getting the extra credit say, I've been taking the extra credit, why haven't you been getting it? It's because of two usual common occurrences, both of which is they've put in the wrong email address. One is students tend to put in www.professorpsych@aol.com before. That's a website, not an email address. Don't do that. The other thing that students commonly do is they misspell psych. It's P-S-Y-C-H, but for some reason a lot of people like to put P-Y-S-C-H rather. Right? So don't do either of those. Right. Now, after you do that, you'll be able to log in. So I'm going to put in my dummy email address here as if I'm a student. So I'm pretending I'm you right now as a student, logging in. I'm a student. I want extra credit. I'm going to put in my email address there and log in. Boom, I'm in. And it'll say, is this you up there? Doberman Blitz is my Xbox Live name. So if you're playing Modern Warfare 2 and you get blown away by Doberman Blitz, that was me. But anyway, here are the different links you have, and this is a great resource to you. Basically, what the textbook did is they made this website so that no student has an excuse to not get an A. Because here they have flashcards to help you study, that kind of thing. If you thought studying would be boring, you're wrong. You know why? Crossword puzzles. They have crossword puzzles, that's right. But what's important, also, tristes en español, muy bien, right there if you need it. But what you want to click on is the quizzes. Click on the quizzes if you want extra credit, because you will get 1 point of extra credit for every quiz you do. Now here we'll ask you, are you sure this is your instructor's email address? Very nice of the website to do, because it is important that you put in my correct email address. professorpsych@aol.com, that is correct. Are you double dog sure that's the correct email address? So again, is professorpsych@aol.com the right email address? Yes, it is. Continue. Now you have the quizzes. In the next video, I'll show you exactly how you take these quizzes, how you know if I've gotten the quizzes, and how often you can take the quizzes. So check out the next video.